Here's my newest hen. Her name is Salty. And since I keep losing chickens right from left, I have to start recouping some. So Salty's very pretty, and she's got a really deep voice. Oh, I got a new rooster and another new little hen. There's a little hen over there. See her? She jumped out right there, little white one. And their little rooster, well, he's not coming out. He's being weird. I think it's because the big rooster's coming in. You know, big miniature rooster is coming in, and he's scared. So they're all going back in slowly. They're all out here a minute ago. There's Brownie. Hi, Brownie. And there goes the big rooster. Well, what do you call it, the big rooster? And there's the little boy. Come here. Come here, little guy. I don't have a name for him yet. Oh, and here comes the Blackie. Hi, Blackie. How you doing? I only have these two and then the other two Easter egger parents over the other side. And that's all I have for Easter eggers. My Easter eggers are dwindling. I have Turtle Dove, which she already went in. And where's that? There's the little baby girl coming around. There she comes. I think she's a little miniature blue English. That's what she is. She's growing up. My goodness, she's getting big. She was just such a little thing. I'll show you a picture when she was just a little thing. They're eating my fig tree, but as soon as I get it planted, I can trim off the, messed up ones, and then I'm going to pin it so it goes up instead of laying like that. I don't want a bush. I want an actual tree. And then, where's the little rooster go? Hey, Mr. Man. He's coming. See him over there? He is so adorable. Look at him. He's an Easter egger mixed with a blue English. So he's got a blue English body, but the color in his cone, where'd he go? The color in his cone is a Easter egger. But he's got I'm hoping his temperament's going to be simple and nice and not mean and nasty. These two here are brother and sister. But he's got a lot of the Easter egger in him, so that's good. He's even got the blue legs like the Easter egger has. But then, I don't know, the blue English have the blue legs too, but they don't lay blue legs. They lay cream or a really bright white. It's really funny. And but who knows? But I definitely know she's a blue English. That's Brownie's babies. I can't believe how much she's bigger, almost bigger than her mom. Hey, and she just tweets when she talks. Hello, how you doing? And that's about it. That's all I have out. They're getting ready to go back in. When they go in, I'm locking them in, and then I'm going to take care of the big chickens, because they're probably hungry too, and they're ready to go in. I got them out at 9 o'clock this morning. So, because it was supposed to be a really bad thunderstorm about 5 o'clock today, so it's only like, I don't know what time it is. I lost track. Around 2? I don't know. Whatever time it is. Anyway, there they are. Those are the 3 new ones that are coming into this side. And then her babies, the Shadow in there, her 2 black babies are coming to this group. And but eventually what I'm going to do is put the Easter eggers in their own yard, in their own area, which I have not done. That won't be for a couple years, I think. We'll see how it goes. I don't want to lose all my Easter eggers. I'll cry. I mean, I even thought of moving the Easter eggers in here, and hopefully we having no more babies. And that way they can even stay in this one, because that's a coop and that's a run, and then they get this whole yard, and then they can come out there and eat too, because, I mean, they can go wherever they want to go. They can be the front garden, and then the blue English and the other ones were, the blue English and Salty here. Even though Salty will probably, I don't know, Salty is actually a Easter egger mix, so that's why I call her a splash. That's an Easter egger splash. Anyway, I don't know where they're at. They're on the other side. I can barely see them. Okay, I'll let you go. Bye-bye.